Slow in and slow out. In order to fully understand this principle, we're going to animate a simple bouncing ball, just bouncing up and down vertically. In your animation package, if you just create a circle or a sphere and set a keyframe with it at the bottom of the scene, maybe 0, 0 for world coordinates, and then move it up equal to its own height and set another keyframe, and maybe frame 10, and then another 10 frames, frame 20, we can just copy the original keyframe where it's back to its original position. Make sure all of these keys are linear and set your timeline, your time range slider so that this animation loops. So it starts at frame 0 and ends at frame 20. Now you should have the ball just going up and down and it doesn't look so nice. So let's add some slow in and slow out to it. What would happen if we added slow in and slow out on both the top and the bottom? Well, now it just looks like this ball is floating through space, back and forth, up and down. But now if we added ease in only on the top and had it as a linear frame on the bottom, now it starts to look like it's actually bouncing. So this is the first step in seeing just how slow in and slow out, or in animation packages these days, it's called ease in and ease out. But now we can see how this really affects our animation. And as we're going to see later on, ease in and ease out, or slow in and slow out, is where you really express the weight and the mass of an object. Feed your brain. Go to dictionary.com or m-w.com, Merriam-Webster, just your favorite online dictionary, and look up a word that you might not know the definition of, but you've heard a few times. Go ahead and try and use this word in your everyday conversations today. And what this does is this helps to exercise your brain just a little bit. It really pushes you outside of your comfort zone a little bit. And if you do small things like this regularly, then your brain won't mind it when you hand it a more complex task to remember and to handle. So once again, just like those little push-ups that you might do every day if you're an athlete, this is a little mental push-up that you do every day just to increase your mental flexibility and your mental strength. Well, keep up the great work, and I'll see you tomorrow.